Alright, what's going up, guys? We got another video. Today we're doing a Ford Mustang starter. We're going to get started by getting off these two bolts, which are 5/16, and we're going to be getting off the other two, which are 6mm. Get those bolts unscrewed. Remember where they're at, because two are extremely long and they actually hold this whole case together. And then your cap just pops right off. And then there's your brushes. Then take out the power bolt for the starter solenoid. Pull the grommet. And slide out your brushes. Oh yeah, these are done. And then there's your copper wind. And we're just gonna pull the whole thing apart, because we're cleaning and rebuilding the whole thing. So here's the copper wind and the base. Okay, we're just gonna pull the copper wind out and give it a clean with some sandpaper and some brake clean and the magnets. We're gonna take this now and we're gonna clean around the gears. This is a gear reduction starter, and we're also gonna grease it. So here are the gears, all clean, all the plastic, free of all the old grease, nice and clean. So we're gonna put some fresh grease in this. So we got the copper wind all cleaned up, looks really good. We got the magnets cleaned up, looks really good too. All right, so we just opened this grease, and I think they shorted us. So you're gonna take your high temperature grease. It's important that it's high temp so it doesn't melt and get inside of where it's not supposed to be. Just slather it on in these gears. It likes it, I promise. And boom, she looks good.
Yummy.
Does not smell as bad as the gear oil from Walmart.
Looks like a jammy sandwich.
It does. It does look like jam.
I need it though.
Put your cover back on and then match up the slot on the magnet, the rubber gasket. And then you can drop your freshly sanded coil wind in. It'll magnetize down. So when it's all back together, you're ready to put your brushes on. And we got these from Advance, I think, this time. They didn't screw up. Now you're ready to put your new brushes on. So find the curved part and make sure you put it into the curved cutout of the magnet. And you're just gonna push and this thing will pop out. So now we're gonna put our cap back on, and we're almost done. Now it's ready for the cap. Put some fresh grease in. And then the two little bolts go into the new brushes that we just put on. And the two long bolts go through the holes and through the starter. And you can tell that where the long bolts go because it's indented up. And there you go. Starter's all rebuilt. 10 bucks instead of 200. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Like and subscribe for more. And I'll see you guys later.